your care should not pretend to be. Problem one, the treat yourself trap. I don't know about you, but I know about me, and I was taught to buy something when I felt pretty low. Perhaps maybe you were taught to soak in a bubble bath when you feel overwhelmed. Often that turns into sabotage and is dressed up as comfort. I once spent $200 on skincare in the name of care. Then I missed my phone bill. That was not care. That was financial harm with a fancy label. The solution was the boring adult method. Real care is plain Jane. At 2 in the morning, you get hungry. Instead of ordering something out, you're going to make a sandwich. Pay the bill before you buy the serum. My friend Sarah thought spa days were the answer. She stayed broke, stressed out. Now she meal preps and automates her bills. I know it's not flashy, but her stress has dropped and her savings has grown. Problem two, the good vibes only delusion. We are told to think positively and manifest our way out of all sorts of pain. There's no affirmation that will clear your student loan or fix a toxic workplace. That advice can become pressure and pretend peace all at once. Solution: the emotional audit. Give yourself room to feel. Set a 5-minute timer. Cry, shout in a pillow, write all your truths down. When the timer ends, ask what one small thing you can control right now. Last month, I was buried under work. My relationship felt tense, my skin was breaking out. I scheduled a 10-minute cry each and every morning. Then I chose one thing that I could fix that day. By the week's end, I had solved real problems instead of hiding under another mask. I'm Miss T, and this is Who's CTV. Here we work on mindset shifts for success, emotional healing, and growth after 40, glow ups that start on the inside, and releasing toxic people and false identities. If you're tired of self help that does not help, subscribe and stay with me. Problem three, the self care Sunday setup. Many of us spend Sundays planning the perfect week. Then we crash out by Tuesday. We treat care like a hobby instead of a survival skill. One binge day cannot carry six more. The solution: the maintenance mode strategy. Build stamina with small daily habits that keep you functional when life gets messy. Lay out your clothes each night to prevent morning chaos. Record voice notes during your commute instead of marathon journaling. Use a crisis protocol: water, protein, pants. Simple and effective. Here's the deal: if we bury that old version, we must replace it with something stronger. Three new rules: simple and pretty effective. First, respect over retail. Self care is not treating yourself, it is to respect yourself. Pay the bill before the serum. Make the sandwich instead of swiping or opting for delivery. Choose stability over short term sparkle. Second, honesty over positivity. Self care is not good vibes only, it is emotional honesty. Cry when you need to, say when things are bad, then choose one small thing you can control. Honesty keeps you moving where fake positivity will leave you stuck. Three, maintenance over marathons. Self care is not just self care Sundays, it's a daily maintenance. 5 minutes here, 5 minutes there. Clothes laid out, voice notes instead of 2 hour journaling, water, protein, pants. It's boring, yes, but it keeps you alive when life is hard. Respect, honesty, and maintenance. That is the new holy trinity of care. No candles required. Next week, the friendship purge. Why your circle may be the problem. Some people are Energy vampires. It's time to become the hunter. Until then, choose the boring actions that keep you steady. Drink water, pay a bill, call that today's care.